back to Open, everyone. You know, we're always inviting you to stay connected with us. That's right. Like us on Facebook at Open Bronx Net Television. And so on Sunday, October 8th, Bronx Community Health Network will be hosting a benefit jazz concert to expand their community health and wellness programs. Event attendees will be treated to a performance by internationally acclaimed New York-based jazz artist Kevin Harris with the Kevin Harris Project. And joining us to tell us more, we welcome community engagement and policy analyst from Bronx Reach Champs, Paulette Spencer. Hi, and
Hi.
welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you for being here with us, and thank you for being a part of the Bronx Community Health Network, because that is a really huge network that is pretty much involved with various organizations in various locations. So let's just give a little insight about how involved the BCH network is.
Well, the Bronx Community Health Network came into existence in 1996 as a 501c3. So we're a non-for-profit organization. And we are also a federally qualified health center, which means that we provide medical services, primarily preventive medical services, to Bronx residents or anyone really, regardless of their ability to pay, which includes regardless of their insurance status or their immigration status.
Which means that you're there to serve as almost a guide as well in helping people get in the direction of health and wellness.
Yes, indeed. We have a team of community health workers who provide services such as signing up clients for health insurance. We also provide workshops on chronic disease prevention and management throughout the Bronx at various organizations.
How many locations is BCHN partnered up with within the Bronx?
Well, we have 18 health centers, 6 of which are located on school property.
Which are located on school properties.
Yes.
Right. And so I just want to make sure that they understand the gist of what Bronx Community Health Network serves as here, because it's a service that I think everybody should be aware of. And if you're unaware or unfamiliar with how to obtain health insurance or where to seek help in gaining knowledge, be it through, referencing just learning about diabetes. I'm sharing all of this with you guys because I've been working directly with BCHN, and I just am fascinated with all the work that they're doing to teach people prevention, which is crucial at this stage of our society, of life here in this day and age that we're living in, especially having a segment talking about cancer and how common it is.
And so what we do primarily is we work with Montefiore Medical System and the Acacia Network. And so our presence is pervasive, but sometimes people don't necessarily know we're there. So what we do is that we get federal funding to subsidize medical services that include these services, these primary care services. And that funding also includes our ability to give these workshops through various schools, through our community health workers, through our health educators. And we cover such topics as care and prevention of diabetes, of asthma. We also do a lot of work with prenatal health care, as well as anything that has to do really with parenting through our Health First project. We also have a program called the Bronx Reach Champs.
Right.
And
Is Bronx Reach Champs creating this event that we're having on Sunday? Because I want to make sure we talk about Sunday before we go. And Sunday is more of like a gala style type of event. But is it open to the public?
It's open to the public, and we welcome everyone to come. We are honored to have with us the Kevin Harris Project, who will be performing. And I understand you will be our MC.
Yes, I will be your mistress of ceremonies with honor.
And this is a project that's a program that's put on by our organization. And so we are actually just celebrating the expansion of our health and wellness programming.
So there's an expansion in the works, and they continue to grow, which is a beautiful thing, right? It's a good
Yes.
sign. And there's awards being also granted, right? So who's being awarded and for what services?
So Dr. Bean, who is the medical director and senior vice president for Health First, is receiving an award for her work to establish health community services at various places in New York City.
Beautiful. And then, of course, we're going to jazz it out and dance and do a little scoo-dee-bop-boop-bop,
Yes, we
right?
will.
With the Kevin Harris Project.
Yes, we will.
Are there any last words you'd like to share with our viewers?
Well, we hope that you'll come out and support us. This is a very important project for us. This is the first of several events we will be having over the next year. And I should say that this is our 20th year in existence.
Nice. 20th anniversary as well.
Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you.
Paulette Spencer. Once again, you guys, the Benefit Jazz Concert and Awards event hosted by Bronx Community Health Network will be taking place on Sunday, October 8th from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the Bronx Museum of the Arts, located on 1040 Grand Concourse in the Bronx. Check out the Kevin Harris Project and yours truly emceeing the event. So for more information, you can go to bchnhealth.org.